Welcome back, guys. Today we are going to be working on the truck because unfortunately my dome light stays on all the time because obviously you can see there's no post here on the switch anymore. So my switch broke and I have a new switch right here. There's the part number. And you're never ever going to get this switch out of the dashboard, and because I've already looked at it. See, it's got these four little outcroppings that prevent it from coming out the switch hole. So I'm going to show you guys how to replace that, and hopefully it's not too shaky because I have to hold the camera. But since my switch doesn't have the post and it's broken, all I'm going to do is just break this end off and maybe not use the screwdriver. There we go. Oops. So here's a piece of the switch. Then there's a spring. What's left of that black piece that goes through. So what I'm gonna do is you can't pull it through there, but if you get a coat hanger or a hook, you can go down through the fuse box and just pull it down. Through the fuse box. Or completely lose it back in there. So I'm gonna have to set you guys down here for a minute while I go fetch the switch because it didn't go where it was supposed to. It's gonna be stubborn. So, as you can see, you can pull the switch out through the dash and then pull this tab and it just unplugs. It's just a 3-wire plug. And that's how to remove the switch because you're never going to get these 4 little tabs all to compress at the same time. So then you're going to want to feed your wire back up through the hole, just like that. We can get the brand new switch here, and we're going to plug it in. And our dome lights are working. I'm going to push it off, and we'll watch to see if the light goes out. It usually takes about 30 seconds before the auto timer releases it. So I'm sorry I lost the switch in the door panel or in the dashboard because it wasn't cooperating. And we'll wait to see. Waiting. There it goes. Now it turns back on. So now you can always push this right in. It pushes right in. And there you go. Now your new light switch is installed. And I compressed it again. Just to make sure that when the door is closed it's going to work. And we'll watch to make sure it turns off again. It usually takes about 30 seconds because that's what the auto timer in the little distribution block thing is set for. And we'll make sure it goes off. There it is. So, if anybody's interested and worried or concerned, about the door switches, it was $8 at the parts store. So I was looking online and stuff, and yeah, I could order it online, but when I can get it locally for $8 instead of $10, what the hell. So I hope you all enjoyed this little switch replacement video. As always, like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Have fun.